3 years. My God, guys. What an incredible journey you guys have had.
I'm so proud of the entire Wishling team for all the advancements that they have brought into the creator economy and how they have empowered so many creators.
The whole warmth and support that they gave is incredible.
लाइफ में स्टार्टअप करने का हमेशा से हेतु था. ऑल ऑफ अस ग्रेजुएटेड फ्रॉम द सेम कॉलेज. 2014-15 से वी न्यू ईच अदर. वी यूज्ड टू ऑर्गेनाइज फेस्ट टुगेदर. वर पार्ट ऑफ द सेम ग्रुप एज वेल.
मल्टीपल चीजें करी. अपने खुद के 2-3 प्रोडक्ट्स बना के एक्सपेरिमेंट करा कि वेदर इट वुड वर्क और नॉट. एंड पैरेलली आई वाज आल्सो फ्रीलांसिंग फॉर अ फ्यू स्टार्टअप्स टू बिल्ड स्टफ फॉर देम.
Building and creating something is really meaningful and really exciting for me. Me and Shaurya, we explored beds and home decor sort of a startup.
कोई भी आइडिया ऐसा नहीं लग रहा था कि यार this is worth quitting my job for.
This was May 2021 when I got a call from Shaurya. He mentioned that he had bought a fridge.
But after 1 year वो फ्रिज खराब हो गया.
हम लोगों ने YouTube पे वो फ्रिज का मॉडल सर्च किया. We found a lot of creator videos on YouTube talking about how there were some defects in that particular model of the fridge.
So at that point of time I thought कि while everyone was trying to sell me some product or the other, only that influencer was the one who was very genuine, who was very honest and was giving a very honest feedback on that product, which would have actually helped me make a better purchase decision.
And we had a direction which is creators and their content actually help a lot of people shop better.
So then one day Shaurya comes to me and says कि we are currently working on something. Within a day I said कि मैं कितना ही सोच लूँगा, आइडिया बढ़िया लग रहा है, कर लेते हैं.
This is June-July 2021.
Ankur Wariku, he was creating a lot of content at that point in time. I remember वो books recommend करते थे या products recommend करते थे. So I just cold DM'd him saying there can be a better way to share these links. He very nicely agreed to it. We gave him a storefront. He used it for a while.
By that time, Shaurya and Devansh had already built a no-code app. उसको थोड़ा structure करा and then started moving it on proper website जो थोड़ी सी हम अपने better customize कर सकें and so on.
There was a very big fashion YouTuber that I was able to connect with. We just went to him, told him that we can create a very personalized storefront for you. And to our surprise, he was able to sell 5-6 lakh worth of products in just 3 to 4 days.
That sort of created some excitement amongst us, amongst creators as well, and amongst their audiences as well. तो विशलिंग का फर्स्ट नेम विशलिंग नहीं था. इट वॉज कॉल्ड ऑल थिंग्स गुड.
फिर एक शरारत का डायलॉग था कि श्लिंग ब्रिंग्स सर्वलिंग.
वी न्यू दैट क्रिएटर्स के कंटेंट में जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, एवरीवन इज विशिंग कि ये प्रोडक्ट मेरे को कैसे मिले.
ऐसे जादू करेंगे और जादू से तुम्हारे पास लिंक पहुंच जाएगा. So this is how Wishling originated.
Finally, finalize the name. Wishling! Go!
We knew कि we are doing something completely new, something that has never been done before. So we want smart people who have drive within them and people that we know and trust.
मैंने अपने बाल कलर करवा लिए थे, जिससे breaking the ice with creators became very easy for me. बीच में लैपटॉप पे कुछ करते मेरे को नींद आ गई. मैं कहा भाड़ में जाए. साइड में पड़ा हुआ था बीन बैग. मैंने बीन बैग उठाया, चेयर साइड में करी, बीन बैग पे लेटा और मैं सो गया 2 घंटे के लिए.
ये लोग अपनी अलग लिंगों में बात करते हैं, इनकी कुछ कोड लैंग्वेज है. आई डिड नॉट नो कि बातें कर लेते हैं मतलब मीटिंग प्लीज शेड्यूल कर देना. कूल है, मतलब कि ये आइडिया सही लग रहा है, इसको इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं.
वरुण्या, राशि, रौनक, ड्रीम सिंपल, फैशनेबल पूजा, बिगनर्स क्रिएटिविटी, सैन कालरा, वैभव केशवानी, ये सारे लोग थे फर्स्ट फ्यू क्रिएटर्स.
तो इनिशियली इट यूज टू बी वेरी वेरी चैलेंजिंग. क्रिएटर्स जनरली उस टाइम पे अर्निंग फ्रॉम द एफिलिएट मॉडल वाज नॉट दैट कॉमन. मतलब मोस्टली सब लोग पेड कोलैब बोलो तो ही रिस्पॉन्स करते थे.
ट्राई टू गेट देयर अटेंशन. फिर जब वो अटेंशन मिलता था उन्हें समझाना पड़ता था, विच वाज सो न्यू, वेरी डिफिकल्ट.
जब मैं आया था विशलिंग में तब हमारे पास सिर्फ एक ब्रांड था एंड आई थिंक 3-4 क्रिएटर्स थे.
तो हम लोगों ने ये डेक बना के भेजा था कि दिस इज योर मंथली रिपोर्ट.
एंड आई क्लियरली रिमेंबर वन क्रिएटर वाज लाइक दैट आई डोंट ट्रस्ट दीस पीपीटीज.
हाउ कैन आई ट्रस्ट दिस?
मुझे क्रेडिबिलिटी नहीं है. दैट इज व्हेन मी एंड चंदन वी सैट डाउन. आई प्रॉमिस्ड अ डेट टू दैट क्रिएटर कि अगले 7 दिन में हम लोग ये डैशबोर्ड आपको बना के देंगे, एंड वी मेड अ ह्यूज स्प्रिंट एंड बिल्ड दैट डैशबोर्ड एंड गिव इट टू दैट क्रिएटर एंड ऑल ऑफ द अदर क्रिएटर्स।
हमने एक क्रिएटर साइड डैशबोर्ड बनाया था जिसमें वो लिंक्स डायरेक्टली पेस्ट कर देते थे। इवन वी इंटीग्रेटेड इंस्टाग्राम विद द क्रिएटर साइड डैशबोर्ड।
But thanks to these creators, they trusted, they believed in us, they started with us, and now we know where we are.
क्रिएटर से जब हमने कंटेंट निकलवाना शुरू किया तो हमें पता चला कि यार क्रिएटर को कपड़े भी चाहिए, अब इस ब्रांड के कंटेंट निकलवाने हैं, तो वहां से सोर्सिंग का आइडिया निकल के आया।
This still was a very costly affair, right? You would have to order the products on your own, create a video, edit and so on, and then you would have to return the product. Sometimes the return would fail, sometimes the apps would block your account, so it would all take a monetary hit on you. You don't spend money and you don't spend so many hours searching 15-20 different brand websites. We will collate it all on a single platform, showcase it for you, and you can order them for free and return them and create your content for free.
People would comment asking about the product details कि कहाँ से खरीदना है, where to buy, how to buy, price please, link please, etc etc.
Because we had already integrated Instagram login, so we were finding solutions. Can we build automation on top of Instagram?
क्योंकि ऐसा कुछ तब मार्केट में एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता था. We were first in the world to make such a feature कि यार Instagram पे तुम लिंक कमेंट करो, तुम्हारे पास लिंक आ जाए.
So we came up with this name. We should call it Wishling Engage because it is not just helping you share the links in the DMs, but also helping you with your engagement, your profile का growth.
Oh my God, I can share links to everyone. अपने आप चले जाएंगे. मैं बोली ये तो मैजिक है मतलब.
I have forgotten a time where I used to send manual DMs to people with links to the product till Wishling actually came into play and they launched Wishling Engage. And since then, there's been no looking back.
हमारी engagement बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है क्योंकि लोग share पे टैप करते हैं, लोगों को directly links मिल जाते हैं with pictures, तो उनको उसी पे click करना है जो उनको खरीदना है.
So Wishling helped me in my journey as a creator, but also the Engage feature really not just helped me, but I think the creator economy in general.
And with Wishling Engage, not only can I share Nykaa link or Myntra link, Tira link, like multiple brands for one post. I can share that and that's made my life super easy.
एक पर्टिकुलर इवेंट जो एक्चुअली मेड अस बिलीव इन आवरसेल्फ कि हाँ जो हम कर रहे हैं वो बहुत बढ़िया कर रहे हैं वाज आवर फर्स्ट क्रिएटर इवेंट व्हिच वाज विशलिंग स्टूडियो.
We have done pottery making for creators, we have done strawberry picking, we have done texture art, and one of the events was Emily in Paris. Barbie event कर लिया हमने Halloween event कर लिया. It's been a crazy ride for our event journey. So we have like built a friendship and a community with the creators.
I think it was more of a community feeling that we wanted to give to the creators that we work with, because we believe that we are a part of the family with the creators that we work with.
Some of the next things that we are doing are कि shooting and editing में भी how can we build tech so that editing करनी बहुत ज़्यादा आसान हो जाए.
For the future, I think अगर मैं future of Wishling या फिर Wishling with creators की बात करूँ, तो there is just one North Star that we are following, right? That North Star is bringing in more and more money to the creators.
So at Wishling, we'll continue to go very deep on the creator side pain points and also try to solve some of the adjacent problem statements as well. जैसे for example, बहुत सारे लोगों को taxation, GST ये सब भी नहीं समझ में आता. So at Wishling, can we solve some of those pain points as well? या फिर invoice कैसे raise करना है, TDS क्या होता है, TDS कितना कटना चाहिए? Can we just build tech that automates all of these things so that creators can actually focus on things that they enjoy doing the most, which is creating content and having that creative freedom and talking to their audiences, engaging with their audiences, and can Wishling take care of the rest?
At present, we work with around 20,000 creators who create more than 1 lakh content pieces with us every month. ये lakh content pieces की reach 20 billion तक पहुंचती है. उस 20 billion reach से close to 2.5-3 crore people go and discover new products every month, and it results into 200 crores of sales for our brands and e-commerce partners.
A lot of creators earn very large amounts, right? काफी life changing amounts भी creators ने earn करे हैं. For example, some of them were able to buy homes for themselves or buy cars for their family, etc.
Particular creator that I'm talking about is Raksha Ki Rasoi. Starting from page which was only about recipes, and from there to becoming one of the biggest creators, not just for Wishling but almost for the entire country, has been an exceptional journey that I have witnessed and that I have seen.
Creators were all heart and sending messages and sending gifts and everything, that we are really grateful that you're in our life. You are one such platform that is helping us earn our livelihood, and it's just very gratifying that way.
And keep on getting a lot of messages every week wherein creator tells me that I quit my job, now I'm doing content full time. And it's just the best feeling that you can get as a founder, which is the kind of impact that your work is making in people's lives, and not just in 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 people's lives. It is at a scale of 20,000 creators. It just fills me with joy.
अटेम्प्ट भी कराई है, ऐसा नहीं है, फेसलेस कराए, बट ऐसे कैमरे के आगे तुम बिठा देते हो.
So I have had 3 attempts of being a content creator.
कंटेंट क्रिएशन इतना इंस्पिरेशन हो गया तो मैंने ट्राई तो किया है, कोशिश तो मैं कर रहा हूँ कंटेंट क्रिएटर बनने की, बट बन नहीं पा रहा हूँ, वो बात अलग है. स्टार्ट मैंने ऐसे किया था कि एक फ़ोटो खींचूंगा मैं रोज़ जिम जाके और एक फ़ोटो पोस्ट करूँगा, वो भी मैं नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. मतलब फ़ोटो इज़ तो वेरी सब ऑप्टिमल चीज़.
Have I ever thought of being a creator? Yes, yes, yes.
I would definitely want to give it a try at some point in time. Oh yes, multiple times and I failed multiple times.
All the creators, this is for you. चांद तारे तोड़ लाऊं सारी दुनिया पर मैं चाहूं, हाँ बस इतना सा ख्वाब है.